Welcome to our garment creation series. This is a quick start guide where we'll focus on key techniques to get you creating basic garments in no time. You are watching part 2 of our 4-part series where we are designing a t-shirt from a 2D pattern reference. In part 1, we designed the base garment, and today we will focus on creating the trim and stitching. Let's get started. We will add a trim to both sleeves and the bottom of the shirt. Let's start by adding internal lines to our pattern pieces in the 2D window. We will use internal lines to separate the pattern pieces. In the 2D toolbar, let's grab the Edit Pattern tool. Right-click the pattern outline of the sleeve, select Offset as internal line. Let's change the distance to 2. This red line indicates that we have successfully created an internal line on our sleeve pattern pieces. Now we want to separate the base sleeve from the trim. So right-click on the internal line and select Cut and Sew. To see how the Cut and Sew feature works, if we select our sleeve trim, we can move it separately from the main sleeve pattern piece, but notice how both pieces are still connected by the sewing lines. Let's repeat the same process with the bottom trim. Select the pattern outline of both the front and back pattern pieces. Right-click, select Offset as internal line. We'll keep the distance the same. And then let's cut and sew. Now that we have finished our trim, let's add stitching. In the 2D window, select the Segment Top Stitch tool. To apply the top stitch, left-click on the pattern outline of the base sleeve and the trim pattern piece. Let's go ahead and repeat this process for the rest of the trims. Now that we've added the stitching in the 2D window, let's take a look at our shirt in the 3D window. If we take a closer look, we can see how we used internal lines to separate our pattern pieces and how we added stitching to our seams. This is the end of part 2. The goal of this series is to get you comfortable in designing base garments quickly in Marvelous Designer. In the next part, we will focus on adding fabrics. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.